Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a simple, I hope, quick tutorial on how to do 3-strand twists. Yeah, I said it, 3-strand twists. The first time I heard of 3-strand twists, I was wondering like, what 3-strand twists? Is that not like braids? But no, they're not. They are 3-strand twists. So I'm going to do the twists, and I will do another video showing you the effect when I unravel it, but it's not going to be in this tutorial. So this is going to be a detailed tutorial. I'm starting with freshly washed hair. I stretched it with BANTU knots. I have not got any products in the hair at all, and I would like to moisturize it while I do it. So I literally washed my hair. I didn't wash my hair today, it was yesterday. Okay, so I start with my liquid. You all know me, it's liquid cream oil. So liquid. Oops. My hair is kind of dry and thirsty at this moment. I wanted to actually moisturize my hair yesterday, but I did not get round to doing it. So what I did was I did the baggy method. You know, when you put the oil on your hair and then you cover it with a shower cap just for it to penetrate. I wanted to actually start with freshly washed hair. So this contains rose water, a tiny bit of glycerin, and some aloe vera juice. The majority of what is in it is rose water. Okay, so once my hair is all moisturized, I comb through with a white tip comb, as you can see, and then I do my parting. If you know me, I'm OTT with partings, but try not to beat yourself up about it. Just part your hair the best way you can. I just kind of did an offside parting here because I didn't really want to do my middle. You have to be careful when you're parting your hair to avoid traction alopecia. So I went to offside, and I'm cutting my lines using the rat tail comb. The rat tail comb always gives me great precision, which I like. So I pin the hair away, the ones on the other side, and then just ensure that my line is straight. I told you I'm OTT with partings, so that is straight enough for me. And then I use the Marula oil leave-in conditioner from Botanics. I'm going to list the product in the description box. So yeah, I come through a little bit more, just ensuring that all the tangles and kinks are all out, and then I split my hair into 3. So to do our 3-strand twist, we're going to split hair into 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we have left, right, and middle. Okay. So I'm always going to be moving the one on the right over all the way to the left. So watch me. The one on the right is moving all the way to the left. So the middle becomes the new right. The right moves again to the left. The middle becomes the new right. So it's like a helicopter blade. Just think about a helicopter blade going round each other. That's basically what you do in the 3-strand twist. So if you didn't quite catch what I meant, what I'm saying is that the one at the end always goes to the other end. So with a normal twist, you're twisting 2 strands together. But with a 3-strand twist, you're moving the hair at the end all the way to the other end, skipping 1 strand in the middle. So here I just twist it. I just do a 2-strand twist and twist it all the way down. I'm going to show you another angle. So keep watching. At this point, you might want to give me a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing and if you're gaining something from this so far. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss my posts. So this is the back. I want to give you a view from the back angle. So I part my hair as usual, put the other hair into a clip it away, use my leave-in conditioner, moisturize my hair, and then I split my hair into 3 again. So when I started, I'm starting it with a 3-strand plait. That is just to secure the base. The first one wasn't done that way, but this time I need you to pay attention. So I split my hair into 3 again, my left, my middle, and then my right. So I do an inward plait to secure the base of the hair. And then now I'm beginning my twist. So this time I'm moving the one on the left all the way to the right. All the way to the right, and then I'm taking it with the other hand. So you can see it's just like a helicopter. I'm moving it all the way to the right, skipping one hair in the middle, and then collecting it with the left hand, if you get my drift. I'm going to show you yet another angle where this will make even more sense to you. So remember, you're always skipping the hair that is in the middle. So you're like rolling it over. So move it all the way from the left to the right, skip the one in the middle. And then obviously you have to kind of be flexible with your fingers so that the hair is moving seamlessly from finger to finger and hand to hand. So this is another angle. So as usual, I start with my 3-strand plait inwards, and this is to secure my base. And then now I'm going to begin my 3-strand twist. So that's the one on the left, that is the middle, and that is the right. Depending on what angle you are, you decide. So I'm moving from the right to the left, from the right to the left, from the right to the left, and I'm moving it over the 2 strands there, if you can see what I'm doing. On the right all the way to the left. So if you see what I'm doing, I'm always moving it over to the end. So you could be left-handed or right-handed, and you can do it in the direction that is more comfortable for you. But I'm moving mine from the right to the left. And I do that all the way. So this is all that it takes to do the 3-strand twist. You're moving the 3 strands, twisting them over each other, but you're doing them in like a rolling method or technique, whatever you would call it. So yeah, comment down below and tell me if you would try this. Would you try the 3-strand twist, or would you stick with the 2-strand twist that you're used to doing? So the reason people were raving about the 3-strand twist was just for the fact that the coils that come out after you do a twist out are really nice, and there's a lot of volume. You know how when you have your 2-strand twist and you do a twist out, you need to separate the hair. Sometimes you might deal with some frizz and stuff like that. With a 3-strand twist, you kind of avoid that. It's almost like doing a braid out, but it kind of has more coils that are in an S shape rather than a V shape that the braid out gives us. So that's just the gist about why people like the 3-strand twist. Well, I twist it 2-strand twist all the way down because when the hair has tapered down, I don't really want to be doing the 3 strands. So the final section is what I'm about to do here. So as usual, you moisturize, you comb through with the white tooth comb. Always make sure that your hair is moisturized when you manipulate it, because that gives you pliability and gives you sleep to avoid breakage of your strands, especially if you have the same kind of texture as I do, which is a 4C texture, which has tightly coiled kinks. So I separate my hair again. That is the right hand side. That one is the left hand side, and then you can see the middle. So these are the 3 strands you always use for the 3-strand twist. So as usual, I start with my braid to secure the roots. Once the root is secured, then I start my twist. So the right hand side, is going to the left. So if you're left-handed, you could do it the other way around. So the right hand side is going all the way. I'm really making it obvious. That's the reason I'm slowing it down and showing you what direction. So if you're left-handed, right-handed, do it the direction that suits you. In the beginning, the first one I did was going the other direction, and that's because I was facing front. But I think I'm ambidextrous sometimes. But you can see the one at the right is going all the way to the left. I pick it, and then the other one goes all the way. So like a helicopter, as I said in the beginning, you just keep doing it. And there you have your 3-strand twist. Let me know in the comments if you're going to do this. I would really love to know. Tell me what other styles you would like me to do. I love to do my hair. I love to braid especially. So tell me what styles you would like to see in the future. Any style you've, not really understood when you look on YouTube. Just comment down below. Tell me what style it is and I'll try and recreate it. Just to let you know, this was the first day that I ever did a 3-strand twist. So as you see this video, this was my first experience, and if I can do it, I'm sure you can. I mean, I watched one video on YouTube to figure it out. I would look for her video and I would post it down here, and she made it really easy, and I hope my tutorial is also as easy as it was for me to learn. So this was my first experience, like I told you earlier, and I think it's a success. I will do another video showing you what the coils look down when I take it down, but this is all I'm doing for now. The 3-strand twist was a success, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what videos you would like to see. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with your friends as well. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for all your support. I love you. Bye.